Hello everyone! Today, we the girls of Oxford High School Bijbihara are going to enjoy a fun and creative activity. In this activity, we are going to show you how to make a healthy and a delicious sandwich without using any stove or any kind of fire equipment.
So let's begin. We are having the two pieces of bread and now we are going to add butter on it.
We are going to make a veg sandwich and I will tell you the ingredients that we need to make a veg sandwich. First of all, we need this bread and then the cucumber, then this onion and then tomatoes, then the cabbage leaves, salt, and at last we are going to add the tomato sauce for the better taste. Now we are going to put these vegetable slices on the piece of bread.
मैडम जल्दी से हाथ चलो जल्दी से
Now we are going to put this piece of bread on the other piece. Now we will add some sauce for the better taste. And our bread is ready to serve. So finally, now our veg sandwich is ready to serve.